Good afternoon. My name is Jeanine Harvey. About 30 years ago, my husband and I went to see a fertility doctor for help in conceiving a baby. We had no idea at that time that those events would ultimately turn our world upside down and lead us to where we are today, speaking to you. A woman often chooses her husband with the thought of someday bearing his child. In 1991, my, my husband and I became patients of Dr. Nicholas Spirtos at the IVF Center at Akron City Hospital, which is now called Summa Health Systems. Our goal couldn't have been clearer. We wanted a child who was genetically related to both of us. I underwent the in vitro fertilization with the understanding that Mike's genetic materials would be used in this procedure. Without our knowledge, Dr. Spirtos used a stranger's sperm instead of my husband's. I got pregnant and our daughter Jessica was born in 1992. Harvey girls were very rare in the family, so we were so excited. I screamed and scared the doctors half to death when she was born. Years went by, we had no reason to think that Jessica was not ours. Mike's family's Italian. We raised her in an Italian home, and we were surrounded by the Italian neighborhood of family. It's difficult to describe my feelings when it comes to the truth of Jessica's DNA test. There are so many feelings: shock, disbelief, doubt, anger, uncertainty, grief. I was overwhelmed. I still struggle sleeping at night thinking about it. Then I began to think, whose sperm was forced inside of my body? What kind of health issues could that person possibly be providing to my daughter? What's happened to my husband's sperm? Did the clinic use his sperm in another patient's procedure? And who's the other patient? Don't they have a right to know the truth? Naturally, I also felt the pain for our entire family. As we were going through as a mother, I'm trying to imagine what confusion and pain my daughter must be going through. It hurts, as if it's my own pain, but I can't fix it for her. We can no longer share our little private Italian jokes, enjoy our little Italian get togethers. It's just too painful for her. Her heritage has literally been stripped away from her. For countless unsuspecting families out there, just like us, it took just one Christmas gift, a home DNA pregnancy kit, to change our lives forever. It revealed a trauma that I never could have imagined. It's taken every ounce of my power to remain strong for my family and for myself as we try to move forward. Mike's my husband, Jessica is our daughter. There's no DNA test that will change that, but we will hold Dr. Spirtos and Summa Health accountable for this. We as a family hope that by sharing our story, putting our private lives out there in the public eye, that we might be able to help others and prevent this from happening to them. Thank you, and that is the conclusion of my statement.